Hello everyone. As you can see from this video, Maryland Ave has some water main work to be done. That's where the parking lot is, up there. And slowly can right there. That is the main area that they're working on. Started like around 9, and now it's like almost 3 o'clock in the morning. And I'll probably do an all-nighter because of this, because my bedroom is right next to my living room. So yeah, this is what's happening in Maryland Avenue, water main replacement. So there you go. Hope this helps you understand what's going on. Thanks. Post this on my YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. So there you go. And also a few Discord channels.